And then another thing that got added in for this week, you guys, is we now have file import. So what that allows you to do is...
File sharing.
Or yeah, around file sharing. So let's say if you had a zip file or a model or an image that is in a zip file, you can actually import that data inside of here and have that as a very easy to give file that you can just hand over to the person, such as this FBX file, and you can even click on it. So I'll click on it right now. And I can choose to import the file or I can choose to export the file. If I choose to export the file, I can actually have this go out on my computer. And if I choose to import it, then it'll import directly here inside of Neos, depending on who is the person that brought in the file to begin with. So it's a really great way to be able to like file transfer and just give somebody a folder instead of using Discord or other applications, or maybe even a Google Drive that you would normally use. Now you can just like hand somebody as a physical representation of that file. Yep, and then they can save it off, which I think is going to be very useful.
Oh yeah, you get a little cool animation on it as well.
And now it's exported.
Saves. I know it's on my. No, it was exported into my documents folder in Windows, so I can like open the file. And this is the actual like original FBX. So like you can use like whatever file you want, and Neos like doesn't do any processing to them. If you import the file, then Neos does a bunch of processing. Actually lose a lot of the original data. So like you cannot like use it open it in the same tool without like losing some of that information.
Oh, definitely.
Or if it's something that Neos doesn't like support, like if it's a zip file or something like that, then.
Also, Dr. Franklin, thank you so much for the follow as well. And yeah, having this as a way of means to allow users to be able to like transfer out files very easily. This is going to be very useful for me for, let's say if I want to get a avatar model, but I want the main FBX of that model, then somebody could just give me the file, import it inside of here in Neos. I could take it out and then bring it back and have it inside of Blender without having to worry about it being like a character model already pre-rigged or having to try to figure out how to export that. Now it can just be the information that they would need.
And you'll be able to save objects within your inventory.
And yes, happy birthday.
Yeah, you can save this. You can like save it to inventory, and then essentially that saves whatever file import like into your cloud storage. So you can use it like for backup. You can use it to transfer files between your computers. So there's like a lot of.
And yeah, Rosilio asks, and wouldn't that make it so you can save a rig of an avatar into it? Yeah, you could have basically everything as if you.
File.
Yeah, just like how you transfer a file over Discord or Telegram or Google Drive, it would be the same way, and you're able to export it now on your computer using just Neos.
Programs,
Henry, hello.
Folder.
What is this?
Assets,
Super
anything.
secret Neo source code. That's what that is.
What? Let's have a look. What is this file?
He's investigating. Also, I have brought out the upcoming new tool designs or revisions. So let me also get one that's like an actual.
It's just
usable
It's just a blank file.
UI.
it's just a blank file named .txt.
Yep.
Progress.
But I do like the fact that you can pretty much, go up to someone and say, "Oh, hey, here's a zip file." I could go up to you and go, "Oh, hey, here's all my character references. Do you want to do me some pictures?"
Yep. And you can definitely have that for, just a very easy way to being able to like do that file transfer.